On the back panel, you can find 4 XLR balanced inputs, 4 TRS balanced inputs, 4 RCA inputs. There are 4 XLR outputs, there are 4 balanced TRS outputs, and then there's 2 React ports. You can expand the number of inputs and outputs using digital snakes connected by React. Here's the USB connector for connecting a PC with the RCS software. The M-300 also has an RS-232 port for remote control from automation or integrated control systems, and MIDI ports allow a V-Link connection from Roland video mixers for true audio follows video functions.